been continuously preparing for that. Okay? Actually, after September 21, we've been preparing. What are the things that we are preparing? First is we continuously monitor who are these personalities, lalo-lalo na different group na pwedeng maghasik ng hindi maganda. That's why we have 5 cases inciting dissolution, 47 and 49 personalities. Before niya, meron pa tayong mga napailan ng kaso. That's number 1, to identify these threat groups and file cases. Second is to improve our security, especially putting barriers at kausap ang ating LGU, and to ensure na maglagay tayo ng mga CCTV and the like such that ma-identify natin yung mga tao.